Hello friends, welcome back in Ankita's tutorial. In today's class, I am going to teach you charts in MS Excel. A chart is a graphical representation of data in worksheet. It is an effective way to display data in pictorial format. So let's start learning charts.
To insert chart, first select the data and go to Insert tab, Charts group. Click on this small handle. You will get here Insert Chart dialog box. In that two tabs, click on second tab, All Charts. Here different types of charts are given. In that first one is a column, line, pie, bar, area, scatter, map, stock, surface, radar, tree map, sunburst, histogram, box, waterfall, funnel, combo. These are the different types of chart, and in that types there are subtypes also. When I click on column, then in front of that subtypes are displayed. If I click on pie, these are the subtypes of pie chart. Now I am going to select here column chart and I will select first one. Okay, my column chart is displayed in my sheet. As soon as I insert chart, chart design and format tabs are displayed here. If my cursor is outside of the chart, then that two tabs are disappear. Again I am clicking inside chart area, chart design and format tabs are here. Click on chart design. Here you will get different chart styles. These are the different styles for your chart. You can choose anyone. Then chart type. After inserting chart also you can choose any other type. For example, I want to take here bar, then I will click on that. My column chart will convert into the selected chart type. Again I want to take column, so this is column again. Now there one more button, move chart. Move chart button is used to move your chart on the next sheet. And here add elements, quick layout, add elements. These same options we will get with the plus sign. See, add chart elements. So there are different elements: axis, axis title, chart title, data labels, data table, error bars, grid line, legend. We will see one by one. Axis means there are x and y axis is by default displayed. If you click on that, that will remove. Again it is displayed. Axis title. What will be the axis title? These are the student names. So we can write here student name and this is marks. But now I am deleting that. Chart title. Chart title is displayed at the top of the chart, but you can change the place of your chart title. Here many options are given. Inside that you click in the chart title and type your chart title. My chart title is score. So like this you can modify your chart. Then data labels. The marks of student will display at the top of the bar. And data tables means whatever our data that will display in the chart area. Error bars and grid lines. Legend. Legend is the box of information. So where you want to take that legend, that is your choice, right, left, bottom, top. It is now in the right side area. So these are many options for the chart elements. You can use that from the chart design tab or by clicking on plus sign. Now we will see formatting of the chart. Just double click on your chart, you will get here format chart area dialog box. In some old version this dialog box is not there. In that case you can use formatting with the format tab, shape fill. There are different options whichever we can get in the format chart area. Here we have solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture, pattern fill. First we will see solid fill. With the help of this button we can choose any solid color for the background of our chart. Next is a gradient. In this preset gradient there are some shadings, color, and that color format also, linear, radial, direction of that color also given. So many options are here in the gradient. Gradient next part is there are different shades, our choice shades we can use from here. For example, I want to take here purple shade. Then for the middle part of the chart I will take red one, and here any. If you want to take there more shades, then just click on this plus button, you will take there more shades. If you want to remove anyone, then click on this button. So like this we can change the shades for the color. This is radial, I will take it linear, and this direction also I can change. So like this we have different options for from the gradient. Now next part is picture or texture. So here some textures available. From here you can choose any texture. I'm taking here water droplets. Next is pattern fill. Here we have some patterns available. Out of that we can select any one. Suppose I want to take this one, then that pattern color I can change. Here blue, and background color I will take red. The same color I can change any pattern. So this is about pattern. And from picture or texture we can insert any picture from our file whichever saved on our computer. One more thing is there, this chart have two background area, that is this is a chart area and this is plot area. So we can give their different shades for two areas. Now I am showing from the format tab shape fill. So the middle part of the chart we can give in the different shade. We can change here bar color. Just select any bar. This is marks of English, and this marks color I can change with fill option. Solid fill, I will select here purple color, and this gray color box, there I will take red, and on the place of orange here I will take blue. No, something is different. So like this we can change any color in the chart. To delete your chart, just click on the chart and press delete key from your keyboard. Now we will insert one more chart, that is pie chart. Select your data and select any pie chart design. So here I have now pie chart. I want to move this pie chart on the new sheet. So click on move chart button. You will get here move chart dialog box. Click on new sheet and type their sheet name. I'm writing here pie. So my pie chart is inserted on the new sheet. See, this is pie. My mark sheet is on the mark sheet tab and pie chart is here. One interesting part of the pie chart is we can separate the slice to show separately. For example, this gray color slice I have separated, and I will change the color of this slice. Here you can take any design from here, or from format fill you can take any separate texture for the particular box, and we can show the data labels on that, marks of that student. Okay, like this we can design separate slice of the chart. This is the interesting part of the pie chart. And the same way we can insert different chart remaining categories also I am showing here. Insert chart from, this is what, area chart. We can make it small and keep aside. The next chart is again select area and go to next chart type. This is sunburst. Next is to insert every chart we have to every time select our data. This is histogram. We will place this one by one. Insert 2D line, histogram has done, waterfall, then map fill, then scatter chart, bubble charts. So like this there are different charts. This same chart has changed. If your cursor is on the same chart, then you instead of inserting new, it will change the chart type. So like this we can insert different chart in Microsoft Excel. There are many options. Hope you understand this video. If you like my video, then please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.